Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this channel, we will be discussing current affairs every day. Only those current affairs which are relevant to exams and are very important will be discussed. So let's start with today's current affairs. Government blocks 118 mobile apps and which are harmful to India's sovereignty and integrity. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India decided to block 118 apps in view of the emerging nature of threats. The reason of this ban is because, according to the available information, they are involved in activities that are harmful for India's sovereignty and integrity, defense of India, security of the state, and public order. This step will protect the interests of crores of Indian mobile and internet users as well as ensure the security and sovereignty of Indian cyberspace. Ladakh and Lakshadweep included in One Nation, One Ration Card scheme. The Union territories of Ladakh and Lakshadweep are now included in the One Nation One Ration Card scheme of Integrated Management of Public Distribution System, that is IMPDS. Moreover, after the integration of these two union territories, a total of 26 states or union territories now join the scheme and which will now benefit about 65 crore people. Cabinet approves J&K Official Language Bill 2020. The Union Cabinet has approved the Jammu and Kashmir Official Language Bill 2020. Moreover, according to the bill, Urdu, English, Kashmiri, Dogri, and Hindi will be the official languages of Jammu and Kashmir. Madhya Pradesh government launches Gandagi Bharat Chodo campaign for garbage free India. Madhya Pradesh government launched a 15-day campaign called Gandagi Bharat Chodo. Under the campaign, there were organizations of awareness programs in 7,178 habitations. Moreover, about 35 lakh people of 378 urban bodies of Madhya Pradesh participated in this campaign. Usha Pade becomes first Director General of Civil Aviation Security Bureau. Usha Pade, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Civil Aviation, got additional charge of Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. Moreover, she became the first woman who appointed to this post. Usha's central deputation term will end on 16 July 2022. Also, she will replace Rakesh Asthana, IPS, who will now act as Director General of the Border Security Force on 17 August 2020. India reaches 48th place in Global Innovation Index 2020. India has climbed 4 places in the Global Innovation Index for the first time. It reached the 48th position and is now in the group of top 50 countries. Also, it topped the countries in Central and Southern Asia. India is in the top 15 in indicators such as ICT, Information and Communication Technology, Service Exports, Government Online Services, Bachelor in Science and Engineering, and R&D intensive global companies. Switzerland, Sweden, US, and the UK and the Netherlands topped the innovation rankings. Also, highest income countries dominated the top 5 places. It was the 13th edition of Global Innovation Index 2020. World Intellectual Property Organization, Cornell University, and INSEAD Business School jointly released it. So that's it for today. Thank you.